for Hollywood.
Here's your E on the B with D. Daniels.
Hey, welcome to E on the B. Monday! Snow day. Anyway, powered by Wade Chicks Chrysler of Culpeper. Showcase event all about Truck Steer and Ram Truck Month. Check it out. 2-wheel, 4-wheel, all-wheel trucks and more. ChryslerofCulpeper.com. Where the shit happens, baby! I was building a snowman and it melted because it was, you know, like this much snow. All right, Dancing with the Stars tonight, 2-hour premiere. 2 hours, 2 hours. We can hope for a little bit of a wardrobe malfunction, right? I mean, really. I mean, who you want to see that? It's like watching the halftime Super Bowl, you know? You want to see something, you know what I'm saying? A little slip of some sort. Listen, big celebrities tonight on Dancing with the Stars. Winona Judd, one of the big celebrities. Sean Lowe, former Bachelor, and Kelly Pickler. Kelly Pickler. I mean, really, could she have picked a better last name? Halle Berry has a new perfume. Have you seen this? Guess what? By the way, her new movie, The Call, #2 at the box office. I'm excited to see that. Anyway, new perfume. It's a unisex perfume. Both of you can use it. 2 is better than 1. So anyway, she says the 101 on how to spray perfume. Where should you put it? Behind your neck? No. Where should you put it? Between your thighs. Yeah, I know, right? So anyway, she says you spray it, you spray it between your thighs and the aroma rises up. That's what happens. All right, Lindsay Lohan supposedly going to be in court today for one of the 333 things she got arrested for last year. I hear this is about the car crash, so maybe she'll be in court. Rumor has it Julianne Hough and Ryan Seacrest are Splitsville. That's what's going on in Hollywood. Get all your entertainment news at B1015.com. Keyword E. Mwah.